Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And overall, the U.S. stock market is trading lower on the day after a slow opening and trading lower on the week. And the reason for today's soft opening is the Fed, which is set to release its monetary policy decision at 2 p.m. today. And all expectations for a May rate hike are pretty low, according to the CME Group's FedWatch tool. So we'll have to see what they say later this afternoon. But as you can see, as we look at our portfolio here, you can see that the S&P 500 and the Dow are both lower on the day, with the NASDAQ being only one of the three indexes higher, which is solely due to Apple and its earnings release last night. But we'll take a look at the S&P 500 real quick and move this chart in a little bit. Currently trading relatively unchanged on the day. It was as low as 2644. Currently trading at 2,652.80 with a chart analysis score -75. Key level to watch remains 2,610.79. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that overall long-term trend is heading lower for the S&P 500, currently in a sidelines mode. We got a new red weekly trade triangle for the Dow at 23,823.08 yesterday, as it traded down about 0.2% on the day. Currently has a chart analysis score -90 with red trade triangles across the board, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down and heading lower for the Dow. Currently trading about 24,077.29. Again, relatively unchanged on the day after hitting a low, basically 24,000 on the number. Key level to watch for the Dow will be 24,858.97. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. Moving along to the NASDAQ, currently trading at 7,144.73 with a chart analysis score +85, coming under just a little bit of short-term weakness on the daily front. Currently up about 0.2% on the day. Key level remains 6,926.97. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Dollar index making a strong move to the upside, and we got our new green monthly trade triangle that we've been waiting for, triggered at 91.79, pushing the chart analysis score to +100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that overall a strong uptrend is in place for the US dollar, in fact hitting new 3-month highs. Currently trading at 92.44 today, after hitting a high of 92.54, up about 0.2% on the day. In fact, it's up a little over 1% on the week as we currently speak. Key level to watch will be 88.94. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Crude oil currently trading at 67.18 with a chart analysis score of +55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for crude oil. And we got that red daily trade triangle here that triggered at 67.64 yesterday. And our key level to watch for crude oil will be 69.34. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for crude oil. Gold relatively unchanged on the day after issuing a new red monthly trade triangle at 1,309.30, pushing the chart analysis score to -100, indicating that overall the long-term trend has switched and is heading lower for gold. Key level to watch should be 1,325.90. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term side position for gold. We'll go over and we'll take a look at Bitcoin, which is up on the day about 0.5% with a chart analysis score +100. Currently trading right above that 9,000 level. However, we'll move this chart out a little bit to 6 months here, and we'll turn on the simple moving averages. As you can see, the last 12 days, starting on April 20th, it's been trapped in this tight trading range between the 200-day and the 50-day moving average. So I'd like to see it move above the 200-day moving average to break out, and that level stands at 9,956.60. A move above that level would give it a significant push to the upside, and we could be off to the races from there With that, every success. Have a great trading day. I'll be back at the end of the week to wrap up the week.